This Bronco collecting is a passion, an obsession, and a problem. I've always been a car lover, starting back when I was 5 years old. My stepdad was a big influence on me, and he had VW things in the yard as well as engine blocks sitting around. And that's really when I became interested in cars. Fast forward to 2008, I moved to Baton Rouge, and this neighbor of ours asked if he could store his vintage Bronco that he just bought in our spare garage. I just fell in love with the Bronco at that point. The Bronco is great for making memories with your family. I have 2 young boys and would love to go out with them in the wilderness, and there's not a better way to do that than with the Bronco. This truck is a 1971 Stroppe Bronco, also known as the Baja Bronco. Bill Stroppe was a desert racer, and he caught Ford's eye when he won the Baja 1000 and the Baja 500. They approached him with the concept of him building a special Bronco to honor his success in racing Fords, but also to bring something to the public. And so the Stroppe Baja Bronco was thus born. What's neat about my Bronco is that it's a survivor. It's all original, including the interior and the exterior. And so the Baja Broncos are easily recognizable by their paint scheme. Metallic Astra blue on the roof. There's Wimbledon white on the body, followed by a poppy red. And then, of course, the flat black non-glare hood for driving in the desert. My particular Bronco has the original paint and the original interior, and it's got a lot of patina, but it was immaculately kept up by the previous owner for 40 years. And so it's in amazingly good shape for being a survivor. Bronco was one of the original sports utility vehicles. Still to this day, it's perfect for throwing a bunch of fishing poles in the back, a cooler of drinks, and heading out to your favorite fishing spot. My boys are just old enough now that they're getting into hunting and fishing, and the Bronco's a perfect utility vehicle for doing that with them. Driving this Bronco is mental health for me. And very few things relax me more than getting in a car I love and going for a drive. There's something about driving this Bronco that helps me forget whatever things happened at work, and I just go to a different place and I relax. The previous owner must have been an engineer because he kept meticulous track of every record for this Bronco, down to every oil change and gas fill up. So we have all the complete records, including the bill of sale from Ford, from the Stroppe facility, down to every spark plug that was ever changed over a 50-year period. So my dream one day is to open up a Bronco museum showcasing these rare Broncos. But one of the issues I've seen is that some of the Broncos I have are so rare that no one has ever heard of them. So you have to have at least a public awareness of some of these models in order for it to become collectible. Some of the best memories of my life were driving around with my stepdad when I was a young boy in his VW thing. He would take the top down and we'd drive through property that his friends owned, and we'd go four-wheeling, and I remember it like it was yesterday, and it was just magical memories. And now that I'm a father, I'm making the same memories with my boys in this Bronco. My name is Oberlander, and this is why I drive.